by a central government. So it is National Innovation and Startup Policy. So in 2019, it was proposed for faculty and students of higher education institutions. So it is going to enable the institutes to actively do innovation and entrepreneurship activities. So it will facilitate HRD, Ministry of Human Resource, to bring uniformity across the entire country. So they are going to aim at intellectual property ownership management, technology licensing, institutional startup. So enabling a robust innovation startup across all the HEI. HEI is higher education institution. So they are planning to start up an ecosystem which is going to thrive on the entrepreneurship. Okay, this is going to be by the government of India. So this is our Ministry of HRD. So all these people are working behind that. UGC, AICT, NISPC. What is NISPC? National Innovative and Startup Policy Committee, Policy 2019. He is the chairman for the committee, Ministry of MHRD. The guidelines are framed, and we are going to see what all support is given by the government. So in vision, you see India aims to become a $5 trillion economy by 2014. But to reach this mark, you need to have high quality technical human resource available who are able to do cutting edge research. The only R&D can help in giving a country better growth. So R&D and along with the entrepreneurship. So you only R&D people can go with entrepreneurship. So people who don't have ideas or people who don't have research aspiration, they cannot take up this entrepreneurship development as a career. Okay. So innovation is not still the epicenter. Education is not towards innovation. We still rely on paper-based education, and we don't make the students think. So it is naturally, therefore, it is required to start an innovation and startup culture in the primary curriculum of our higher education systems. So students who are undergraduates and postgraduates, when they graduate out of their own college, they should possess the minimum skills required as an entrepreneur to choose entrepreneurship as a career option. So what they are doing, they are slowly imbibing this innovation and startup in the curriculum. The curriculum, what you're going to read, and with some practical things. Okay, with some practical exposure. Okay, so these guidelines will help in bringing uniformity. So each one will be doing it in a different way. When the government of India is doing this under a single body, then you will have uniformity in place in terms of ownership management, technology licensing, and institutional startup policy. So it will also ensure that you have a good innovations setup across the entire